Civilian and military organizations will face myriad unexpected crisis situations that will stress their operational and technical capabilities. Organizations need a way to anticipate, experience, and understand these crises before they happen. One option is Immersive Operational Experimentation, also known as IOPEX, experiencing and resolving crises in an alternative virtual reality to anticipate and prevent or limit their occurrence in the real world. IOPEX will use advanced virtual reality, or VR, technology to give operators a multi-sensory experience almost indistinguishable from the real world.
Using full dive virtual reality, totally immersing operators in the environment, they can be as real as the real world and have the impact of a field event. You can control and measure things as you would in a Monte Carlo simulation. In addition to that, you can develop con-ops and tactics and procedures as you would in a tabletop exercise or a war game. So properly executed, an IOPEX can have elements of the other three rolled into one.
We're starting with the top of the head. We've got the Vario XR3 headset. It's the top of the line, top of class visuals, human eye resolution, some of the highest end eye tracking capabilities so that you can get not just gaze detection and understand where someone's looking, but also emotional data and stress data. So that biometry coming back to the empirical data set to understand for our experiments and for our training, what's working, what's not working, how can we adapt and create new and compelling solutions. We have the Tesla suit, which simulates both touch haptics and muscle strain. So what we can do is actually tense different muscle groups so that you can feel strain on doing lifting something or moving through a task that would normally be cumbersome, but you also have that touch capability, so you have impact. So then we have the locomotion with the virtual autonomy. So being able to traverse an infinite amount of space at any level of gait, whether it's a slow walk, all the way to a full-on sprint. Again, what we're trying to achieve here is full sense of presence. The less you're thinking that you're in a simulation, the more that you're actually embodied. When we're bringing your entire sense of being into that experience, your focus more is on the actual experience and not how am I interacting or interfacing with the technology. We're trying to overcome the cognitive dissonance and the argument in your brain that I'm just playing with some technology and really bring you into that experience. And there is one more key piece to this that is going to be integrated, which is the haptics gloves. The goal here is to be some of the first players to unlock a full body presence.
What I'm going to do now is give the guys a very quick briefing on the scenario they're about to enter, and then have them enter that scenario. So in this scenario, gentlemen, there's been an accident, an event at a facility, and there is a missing person. Your job is to find that missing person, evaluate the situation, and leave safely. And so now I'm going to ask Aaron to step onto the firefighter pad, and Jeff, you will be the EMT for this session. From this point, I'm going to be quiet and let the scenario play out.